Let's explore a couple of English phrasal verbs, handover and a cutback. Handover is a phrasal verb meaning to formally give control or possession of something to someone else. Story: in the bustling city of Elmwood, Rachel had worked for nearly 2 decades at Blanchard & Company, a prestigious law firm known for its demanding nature and client success stories. Her journey in the firm saw her rise from a junior associate to a senior partner, a position that brought with it a suite of responsibilities and privileges. However, the time had come for Rachel to retire and pursue her passion for travel and photography. A farewell party was held in her honor, attended by all her colleagues who gathered in admiration and with heavy hearts. As part of the ceremony, Rachel had to hand over her client list and ongoing case files to James, a promising young attorney. It was a bittersweet moment as she passed on the torch to someone she knew would uphold the firm's values. Examples: Rachel had to hand over the company keys to her successor on her last day. Due to the merger, the department manager was required to hand over all project details to the new team lead. Cutback is a phrasal verb that means to reduce something, often for economy or efficiency. Story: Jonathan, the CFO of Green Tech Industries, observed the company's expenses mounting at an unsustainable rate. With the aim to secure the company's financial health, he approached the board with a plan to cut back on non-essential spending. The decision included abolishing first-class travel for executives and limiting the sponsorship of expensive events. While the initial announcement shocked some employees, Jonathan's strategy significantly improved the company's bottom line, allowing them to invest in innovative technology and sustainable practices. Examples: with the decrease in sales, the company decided to cut back on its marketing budget.